Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to talk about the job that I want to get in the future once I finish the career. First of all, I have to mention that I haven't decided specifically the type of job that I want to get, but I've been thinking a lot about the clinical engineering area. As we know, biomedical engineering is a wide field of study and work where we can find three main divisions. They are clinical engineering, biomechanics, and bioengineering. And I actually found that it might be very interesting to look for a job in the clinical engineering field. This is a specialty of biomedical engineering that promotes healthcare by applying all these principles and skills in engineering and the management of medical equipment. We have to mention that this is a professional approach that focuses specifically on the patient medical equipment interface and applies all these engineering processes and principles to the management of medical systems and biomedical equipment. All of this based or focused on the patient environment. Some of the functions and tasks that clinical engineering has to have are planning and evaluation of new technologies, training of professional and technical personnel, equipment safety control and design or modification of equipment, and of course the technical service of the equipment based on these safety control principles. If you ask me the reason, I will have to say that I want to get a job or to look for a job in this field because the demand for healthcare is increasing very fast in our country, and therefore the demand for new systems, technologies, and devices too. And the other reason is that I actually like that the engineer has the opportunity in this area to relate in a more direct way with the personnel involved in the healthcare. There is an opportunity to establish an interface between the professional and patient. So all the staff involved work together to improve their quality life of the patients. Of course, we have to get the bachelor's degree of biomedical engineering to look for a job in this field. And there is a wide field of knowledge that is needed too, but just to mention some areas, they are bioinstrumentation, electricity and magnetism, physics, mathematics, and of course computer science. The skills required are problem detection, teamwork, very important, effective communication, and optimal use of resources. And talking about attitude, creativity, innovation is very important, flexibility to change too, and the most important characteristics, attitude, or skill that I consider for a clinical engineer are that they are observer, critical, and analytical too. All the things that I have mentioned before had made me consider more the opportunity to look for a job in the clinical engineering area, but I actually consider very important to know and explore the other specialties or areas of the career.